Hey, this is Dean Odell with 7 Gables Real Estate in the Odell Group. What an opportunity this is for you and your family. This is a legacy estate that hasn't been on the market for almost 50 years, and it comes with a pedigree. The people that bought this property tore down the original house, rebuilt a brand new home designed by Briggs back in the 70s, and it is something to see. So we're going to take you through the walking path right now to the property, and we also have a private drive to get there. So let's get started. Check out this private pathway to the property. How amazing is this? I mean, it's like your own little enchanted forest in here. Look at the maturity of the trees and this. It's just an amazing experience to even walk up here. So this used to be the driveway to the property years ago. They built another driveway that's off to the side here. It's a private road for everybody that's on that road. There's only 3 neighbors that share it. And this will take you to the main property by foot, or you might want to build a new driveway here for yourself and let everybody else share the road, but it's up to you. Lots of options with this property. So here we are, your own private estate. You've got all that land back there to work with, and on top of that, you have probably nearly another acre here. You can see the house perched up there, designed by Briggs. Let's go take a look.